Hi, how's it going, guys? It's Ezra Hanson here. So today we're having a look at the Copperhead by Rough Rider. It's a traditional style pocket knife. You've got a clip point, and also you got like a boning style blade on there. So I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna skin a rabbit for you, and we're gonna butcher it. I'm gonna do a couple of other outdoor tasks, like I'm gonna make a feather stick, and I might do a bit of rope cutting and a few other things, because I think this is a good outdoors knife. So if you like that sort of thing, come along. And if you don't want to see a rabbit skin, then skip on to the end where I'll just be talking about the knife. So I purchased this from Dude Approved Gear, and I'll have a link in the description if you want to buy one. Alright, so for the skinning of the rabbit, I'm going to use the clip point. Alright, so the smaller blade here is really good for butchering stuff. It's real easy to get around the bones with it. Alright, so we'll see if we can make a feather stick. So I'm going to use the smaller blade. Right, so there we go, there's a feather stick. So that worked really well for that. Really nice fine curls, it'll be real good for lighting fires. Alright, so I've got a couple of layers of baler twine here. Alright, so let's have a closer look at the Copperhead. So you've got the fillet blade, and then you've got the clip point. This will be the blade that I use the most for things like if I wanted to cut rope, or if I was using it around the farm, or also for food as well, because it's a wee bit wider, so it's good for slicing. So I really like the bolsters on this. I think it's got a really classy look to it. Yeah, so lately I've been talking a wee bit about the Rough Riders. So they're a Chinese produced knife. Yeah, but they're a real good company. There's a couple of like smaller issues with the fitting, like on the shield here, one of the sides is really nice, then the other side's a wee bit on the proud side, and yeah, one of the pins here is a wee bit high, but yeah, these are selling at the moment on Dude Approved Gear for between yeah, the $20 up to $30. Yeah, it depends on the materials that's on the handle. Yeah, so for under $30 I actually think they're really good. I think the fitting on them is reasonably good actually. I've got a lot more expensive knives that have the same issues on them. So these come extremely sharp. So the edge that was on the fillet knife that I was using for the stick, yeah, that's the factory edge. This one here I have sharpened. Yeah, but all round I really like these. I think it's a real good option if you're into camping or if you're into bushcraft, like for the smaller tasks. Yeah, for the preparing of your small game like you saw me doing, or for carving. This isn't optimal light for carving and for whittling. The blade shapes aren't quite there, but it's real good for if you're into fishing or small game hunting again. So all up, it's a real good knife to have in your pocket. Alright, so this definitely gets the thumbs up. So if you'd like to have a look at the link in the description, they'd be really good. Help out Wes a bit, he's been real good with helping me out. I've got a bunch more things on the way that I'm going to review for him. Alright, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, I'll see you next time.